Christmas Eve, there was a man named Santa who had to please my children by giving them his gifts. But the pipes in my chimney led right to my microwave.
He went down the chimney, oh yeah. But the pipe got smaller. The pipe got smaller. The pipe got smaller and more dense, and then
Nothing that an old man can't handle. Hey guys, this is Santa doing a live vlog. I'm currently crawling through a
time to make my tacos.
It turned out that while I was cooking my tacos, Santa was in my microwave, and he suffered some radioactive frequencies that scrambled his brain. They killed the cells in his body, and then he slowly started to die.
He got first-degree burns. As he learns, I do not keep ferns in my microwave. Oh yeah. My pipe does not go to my fireplace, because a fireplace has no place in my house.
I closed off my fireplace after my wife blew up because I had to do something with the body, and I put it in my chimney, so I closed it off. I feel bad for Santa, poor old man.
Santa needs a Fanta, or else you'll perish in my ventilation system, and I will breathe in his blood and stuff. And oh no, that's very bad. No, very bad.
On the bright side, when Santa died, he got to eat some of the fragments of my tacos that got lodged in the pipe where he was going to die.
Die. Pie. Spy on Santa Claus. Goodbye, Santa.
Hi, I'm Joe Roddy. Make sure to subscribe to Jandro Perez and check out more of his songs. Thanks. By Joe Roddy.